My name is Christina Morenike More. I am an initiate of the Ifatoki Ameri Temple, Oyo, in Oyo State. And I just received my initiation into Ifa, or Tefa. We're on day 2 right now. It's been a very full program. Very interesting. There have been lots of spiritual rites and initiations and divinations that have been very interesting. And yeah, I'm really happy and excited to be here. Something I really want to get across to people who are interested in Ifa initiation or anything related to Ifa is that they should follow their heart, really listen to your instincts, especially with the people that you are dealing with. Listen to what your heart is telling you. And don't be afraid. There's a lot of things in film and in Western culture that says our practices are demonic. They are not demonic. They are of our people. That was what was important to me in returning to Nigeria, to really get to the roots of what my ancestors were practicing, the ways that they were living, to be able to connect to that so that I could have the richness of what they experienced. And it really is rich. There's so much in the history, there's so much in the Udus alone to learn about and to practice. Something else I want to say is that this requires some patience. It will teach you patience. I'm not generally a patient person, but I've learned to have the kind of patience that creates something that is lasting. A lot of the time, people are led astray because they have too much urgency and they want to deal with something that's going on in their life, whether it's a problem or something that they want to achieve. You have to have a lot of intention and patience to really find the people that you connect with. It's important to connect with your babalawo. That person is going to provide you more understanding in how to create your destiny, how to live your destiny, and translates the odus to you, the things that you need to know in order to fulfill your destiny. So patience is the very first thing in order to really find those people that will be for you. And then the second thing is knowing yourself, knowing your very basic values. What are the things that you appreciate about yourself? Because that will be important in being able to find babalawos and awos that also share those values. When they share those values, everything goes much more smoothly. So for me, one of my values was truth. Doing everything true to the letter, to the spirit of the Odus, to the spirit of Ifa, was very important to me. So that's what I use to assess the people that I'm dealing with. Is that also important for them? And here it's very important. Truth is important. The real ancient practices are important. And yeah, I think consistency and integrity as well is very important. And I saw that just from dealing with them, that this was important to them too. And that made me feel more settled in this decision. And making sure that you recognize that Ifa will guide your steps, if you allow and surrender to the process, Ifa will guide you. Sure.